Hey guys, so but right now really I've just taken apart the entire Trek session because I want to change a lot of parts and fix up the bike, make it quiet and also make it look better. But here you can see how the frame looked before, and I just polished the frame for like 5 seconds and yeah, now it looks like a mirror. You can see yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to the whole frame. I guess you guys can comment if you want this to still be white or if I should just make that like silver chrome as well. Let's polish this.
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places.
So now I'm just gonna like clean this thing one time, just clean it a little, and then we can start polishing it.
Way on down south, London town. You check out Guitar George. He knows all the
Okay. Now I've basically polished the whole rear swing arm.